Addition, let's begin. Our first number is 5 plus 4. I am going to draw counters for my least number, for my smaller number, the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am going to count on from 5. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 is my answer. However, for this tutorial, what we're going to do, we're going to pay attention to the vertical style. Okay, so we're going to write our sums in this format vertically before we add them. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. 5 plus 4, I will draw counters for my least number. And I will count on from 5, so I will start with 5. I will say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my answer. Next, I have 9 plus 7. I'm going to write it vertically before I add. I'm going to draw counters for my smaller number. 7 is smaller than 9. I'm going to draw 7 counters. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to count on from 9. So I'm going to say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next, 6 plus 3, I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to draw counters for my smaller number, and I'm going to add. I'm going to count on from 6. I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 3 plus 1. I'm going to write it like this. Draw counters for my smaller number, 1. I'm going to count on from 3. So I'm going to say 3, 4. 4 is my answer. Now we have 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. I have 18 plus 1. How am I going to write this? Now if you missed our place value video, then be sure to look at that. Alright, what is the value of this 1? The value of this 1 is 1s. Okay, what is the value of this 1 and this 8? Let's label it. Beginning from the first number on the right, this is going to be your 1's number. And this is going to be our tens number. Once we do this, it will be easy for us to write it vertically like this. You see, I have my tens and my ones. Okay, and the number 18 is written like this. The 1 is under the tens column and the 8 is under the ones column. And then I have 1, which comes under the ones column. Okay, and now I add. We always add the ones column first. Okay, so I have 8 plus 1. I'm going to draw my counters for the least number. I'm going to count on from 8. So I'm going to say 8, 9. I'm going to write my 9 here. Now I'm going to add my tens column. I have 1 plus nothing. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, next. 26 plus 2, let's label it so it will be easy. This is ones, this is ones, and this is tens. Always label from the right. Always start from the ones, okay? Let's write it. So I have the number 26 plus 2. Okay, and I'm going to begin with my ones column first. 6 plus 2, I'm going to draw my counters for the smaller number. And I'm going to count on from 6. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to add my tens column. I only have 2. So 2 comes here. Next, I have 35 plus 3. Same thing. For those of us who are not sure, we can label. I have one number. This is going to go under the ones column. This is going to go under the ones column. This is going to go under the tens column. So we have 35 plus 3. We're going to add the ones column first. 5 plus 3, draw counters for the smaller number. Count on from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 3 of the tens side, it comes here. Now we have 22 plus 8. You're going to write it in the same format, in our vertical format. For those who are not sure, again, label. We always begin with ones. Here we're going to begin with ones and then tens. So we wrote 22 plus 8. Now we're going to add which side? Our ones column first. So I'm going to draw counters for my smaller number, and I'm going to count on from 8. 8, 9, 10. I got 10. So what do? I put the 10 outside. I cross out the 0, the number on the right, and I put the 0 here. What do I do with this one? I write it here. So what am I going to add? I'm going to add 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, we're going to do some more of this to be sure that you understand. Let's look at 94 plus 7. Again, I am going to write it vertically. Like this. And again, for those who are not sure, label it ones, ones, and tens. Alright? Which side am I going to add first? The ones side. 4 plus 7. I'm going to draw counters for the smaller number first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to count on from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11. 2-digit number, so I'm going to put the 11 outside, cross out this 1, and put it on the inside. I am writing this 1 here so that I'll remember to add it. Okay, so now I have 9 plus 1. I'm going to draw my counters for the smaller number. I'm going to say 9, 10. Okay, so I'm getting 10. This 10 can be written inside like this. 10. Okay, there is no other number here to add. When you move up to the French standard, you would learn about the hundredths column, but we're not going to learn about that today. Okay, so we write a 10 inside, and this number is read as 101. Next example. We have 69 plus 6. We are going to write it vertically, and we are going to add the ones column first. We have 9 plus 6. I'm going to draw counters for my smaller number. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count on from 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A 2-digit number, I'm going to write it outside. Cross out the number on the right, which is the 5. Bring the 5 inside. What am I going to do with the 1? I cannot leave the 1 here. I bring the 1 on this side so that I remember to add it. So I'm going to add 6 plus 1 is 7. Let's continue. I have the number 73 plus 21. I'm going to write it like this, vertically. For those who can do it as fast as this, label your numbers, beginning from ones, then tens. In the number 73, first number on the right will be ones, then this will be tens. So I have 73 plus 21. I'm going to begin from my ones column. I have 3 plus 1. I'm going to draw counters for the least number. I'm going to count on from 3, 3, 4. 4 comes here. Now I will go under my tens column. I'm going to draw counters to my smaller number. No need to rush, take your time. 7, I'm going to count on from 7, okay? 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 94. Let's do another. I have 45 plus 21. I'm going to write it vertically like this. And I'm going to add the ones column first. 5 plus 1. Draw counters. For the smaller number, I'm going to count on from 5. I'm going to say 5, 6. Under the tens column now, I have 4 plus 2. I'm going to draw counters for my smaller number, which is 2. And I'm going to count on from 4. So I'm going to say 4, 5, 6. Alright? So my final answer is 66. Yet another example, I have 21 plus 8. Again, for those who are not sure, label it. This will be ones. This will be ones and tens. It's going to be written like this. I'm going to add my ones column first. So I'm going to draw counters for this smaller number. And I'm going to count on from 8. So I'm going to say 8, 9. 2 is going to come here. Okay, I have nothing here. Okay, let's say I have 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Alright, let's do these examples. We're going to take our time for all of them. So the first one we have is 25 plus 28. We're going to begin from the ones side. Draw counters for the smaller number. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count on from 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got 13. I'm going to put the 13 on the outside. Cross out the number on the right. My 3, put it on the inside. And now I'm going to write this one on this side so that I don't forget to add it. I have to do what? Add it. So let's add here. I have 2 plus 2 is, let's draw counters. 2, 3, 4. And 4 plus 1 will give us 5. Next, I have 36 plus 26. I am going to work out the ones column first. I have 6 plus 6. I'm going to draw counters for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count on from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A 2-digit number, so I write it on the outside, cross out this 2, put it on the inside. Now we'll go to my tens column. Let's not forget we have a 1 to add on this side. Okay, let's add what we have. We have 3 plus 2 is, let's count on from 3. 3, 4, 5. 5 plus this 1. If you don't know, draw your counters for this one as well. Okay, 5 plus 1 is, let's count on from 5. 5, 6. Our final answer is 62. Next, we have 79 plus 21. We're going to work out the ones column first. 9 plus 1. I'm going to draw counters for the smaller number. I'm going to count on from 9. I'm going to say 9, 10. Again, I got a 2-digit number. I'm going to write it outside. Cross out the 0. Put it on the inside. Then I'm going to add my tens column. And I cannot forget that I have this 1 to also add, okay? So I'm going to draw my counters here. 7, 8, 9, plus the 1 on this side is 10. I'm going to write the 10 on the inside. So my answer is 100. And that's it for a tutorial on adding. Thanks for watching, everyone. Any comments or questions, leave it below this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.